Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about what strategy you need to implement to start a successful dropshipping store. Now obviously we know something for a fact that eBay is one of the biggest platforms right now in the industry, and if you want to start a dropshipping business, where best to start it from eBay. There's a lot of different e-commerce websites such as Amazon and Shopify as well, where you can sell items online, but obviously you need to understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it, and that is the reason why we are making all these amazing videos for you guys to give you the proper information that you would require to start a successful dropshipping store. We have gone into great detail and looked at the different strategies that successful dropshippers have used, and obviously looked at the elements that they did wrong so we could learn from them and bring you these videos to ensure that you do not make the mistakes that they did. And that is the reason why we always recommend individuals to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so they don't miss any of the videos that we're making, so they have the proper up-to-date information about the effective strategies and methodologies that they would require to start a dropshipping business in a successful manner. And obviously the first thing that you need to do is understand that if you're selling on eBay, you need to understand what dropshipping is. Now dropshipping is also known as product sourcing, guys, and it's when you buy stock from a supplier and work with them to send items directly to your buyers without ever handling them yourself. Now you have to understand something, and this is a mistake which a lot of young entrepreneurs and individuals that do not understand this niche they make, is when they actually buy the product and actually sell the product, they are drop shipping. But what these individuals tend to do is they do not buy the product at all. What they do is they go and actually make sure that they list that product somewhere on AliExpress or Alibaba, and then when they get an order on eBay, they get the money, but eBay does not send them the product. Rather, they go on AliExpress or any other dropshipping website and actually send the product from there. That is not allowed on eBay. Dropshipping is where you fulfill orders directly from a wholesale suppliers. That is allowed on eBay. And remember that if you use dropshipping, you are still responsible for the safe delivery of the item within the time frame stated in your listing and for the buyer's overall satisfaction with your purchase. Now, when you have understood these dynamics that have made an account on eBay, what you need to do is head over to Google Trends. Now, Google Trends is a very interesting website. What it does is that it looks at what people are searching for, what people are interested in. Based on that information, you can get a lot of good ideas. And I personally feel this is very important, guys, because one of the major things that you need to understand whenever you're starting a dropshipping business is research. The more you do, the better you're going to get at it. And the better research that you end up doing, the better items you're going to find out. And the better items you find out, the more success you're going to get. And you will eventually get a item that is going to be a hot cake where it's going to sell hand by hand, and you'll turn your thousands into millions and become a millionaire overnight. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. What you need to do is select the country where you want to find the trend. For example, let's head over to the US and check out what people are interested in the US. Now, as you scroll down, you'll select the country from here. We've selected the country, and then we're going to search for phone cases. Now, I personally feel that phone cases are a very interesting item because a lot of people are using them, and the reason why they're using them is because everyone tends to have a phone, and because everyone has a phone, they want to protect their phone. Now, if you look at this graph over here, you'll see something which is quite unique. Throughout the whole year, since January until December right now, there has been a gradual interest in this particular item. And the reason for this is because this is not a seasonal product. This is a product which is evergreen, a product that people will want to buy at every single moment in time in the month. And these are the sort of products that you need to put on your dropshipping account, either on Shopify, either on eBay, and either on Amazon, because you want to make sure that you find the right element to sell to ensure that you can make a lot of profit at the end of the day. Now, once you have done it and once you have selected this item, you need to check out how much you can actually sell this item for on eBay. And it's for that reason you should head over to the Sellers Hub. The Sellers Hub on eBay is a very interesting place. It gives you a complete breakdown of what is happening on your account, what is being sold, what is being bought, what information you have, and obviously head over to the research element over here where you will be able to find information about exactly what the product is doing and how the product is doing. So let's search for phone cases and see what kind of activity the phone cases have had in the past 1 year. Now, as we search for phone cases, we will find some interesting elements over here. You can select the categories, you can select the conditions, you can look at the individual items that have been sold and the individual items that are active right now. The average selling price is $10.97. The average shipping shipping price is $5. Free shipping is provided by 91% of the individuals, and 1.6 million have been sold. There's 39,000 total sellers that are selling this product, and there's $17.9 million in sales that is done. If you look from January onwards, you'll be able to see the average price of this particular product that's been sold out. Now you can clearly see it's between $11 and $10. It goes 11, it goes 10, and it remains constant over here. So for example, if you get this product and you sell it for $9 and $8, but you get the product for $1, that is definitely going to sell because it's going to be below the average price. So let's look at how much people are making. This individual seller has made $289,000 and have sold 34,000 of these items over here. This individual has made $89,000, $64,000, $60,000, $68,000, selling it for $995. Imagine the profit margins that are available for these individuals. This individual of just one product has made $55,000. So let's go ahead and check out this account over here, this item that has been sold. Now this is individuals that we know for a fact for $4.93 has made at least around $289,000. So obviously, as you can see, the full information about this product is available, and you can actually take a lot of advantages from this. Now once we have understood this dynamics, we will head over to AliExpress and search for phone cases. Now we know the average price for phone cases is how much? It is around $10. So we want to make sure that we can find an item that is less than $10 so we can increase the profit margin and become financially independent. Now, as we search, we'll be able to see all these phone cases that are available for $3, $4, and $2.93. If you scroll down, this product is worth $1.34. This product is worth for $1. This product is $1. 11,571 have been sold. Now, we can clearly see that this is indeed an opportunity of a lifetime, but we want to increase our profit margin. So what do? We head over to Alibaba.com, where we cut out the middleman. This is the methodology, and this is the way that you should always search for items and put those items on your Shopify account, on your eBay account, on your Amazon account. So we're going to search for phone cases. As we search for phone cases, we want to make sure that we can get the best bargain possible, the product that is the cheapest with the best quality that is going to be given to us, so we can sell it for at least $10.99 and make a massive profit off it, like we've already seen that a lot of people are doing. If you can clearly see that this product you can get for 50 cents. If you scroll down, this is a product that you can get for 28 cents. This is a product that you can get for 38 cents. So these are amazing opportunities that are available for you guys to ensure you can find the right product and start selling it and make a massive profit off this strategy. So if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and to guide you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.